We're here at Mariah's house. Say hi. Say hi to the camera. Hi. And she's like,
Don't videotape me, man. I just woke up.
it's okay, they will not smell it.
I woke up too.
They cannot smell it. Andito kami sa bahay ni Roy. Pakita ko sa inyo bahay ni Roy, ha?
Yeah.
Well, yeah. O yan. Palilipat lang nila 2 days ago. So, this is yung bonus room. Ayan ang inassemble ko. New couch. Gandano! Na medyo magulo pa eh. Ang second floor kami. And downstairs. There's Lori. Hey! Hey! I'm sending this to the Philippines. This is kwarto ni Tessie. Yeah. Oh yeah, si Lori.
I got my pajamas on.
It's okay. Say hi naman to Rhea or see? She's the one responsible for the all the cleaning here and arranging. Si Anna si Lori. Why?
You know, running around like a jet.
It's okay. Yeah. This is Mariah's room. Si Dora, ano? Sleeping si Dora. Lori again. Ganda, no? Ay, mga damit. Care Bears. Labas tayo. The master bedroom is under construction. So, bye-bye muna.
Bye!
Say bye-bye muna. Say bye-bye. Bye to the camera.
Bye, camera.
Bye, camera. Say bye, Carl.
Huh?
My son. Bye, Carl.
Bye, camera.
Alright. Paalam ko na.
Bye.
Sige. Bye-bye muna. Bye-bye.